about jurisdiction, any complaint against a person. Said or camera, I was expecting say to read this up provision. For the benefit of it for my country. Was he a member who breaches any provision in this constitution or whose activities undermine the party's constitution shall have a complaint lodged against him or her? Say, Obi Heya de now fee say be and say fata. The first thing I SOE and say, Obe logic complaint, etia say adia or my he etia party mra, and the party no and sheni and kanwasef. So the first question I may busa, I was quiet and they say, has he or anybody lodged a complaint against maybe a chairman Abronye or chairman wontumi? And now say be nipebu or montiasi and a general secretary won't suspend new way when you say the man the year na person di mranachia and the camera no the two and more for the emran account. It is a statement here or three ebia for place way, but say genuinely or per se you two and more. General secretary mean two and abra petition or complaint and betominium. Say betominium na mean two and more. Then you can come and say oh your logic complaint general secretary one come on she.
Abusian for the ecosystem MPP and Anopaya Medium 7. Ebra Mamati Asi said, Abronye any chama wontumi omoho aba asem ewo MPP amanyokuo no. Ni nyina ne say yesi Abronye doing a podcast and I said YouTube video bi a oyeye o kan wo mu say the delegates album no mo be to aba no e de ayi the flag bearer or not Abronye no pono ahafu bia or no ne be manage enti wa o ye kan the supporter obe yi odi afiri we and amamfo e kan say Abronye e kan ye ye firi on so a yesi chama wontumi so during another tour campaign in favor of Dr. Bawumia was sign e go country delegate said the entia ye ni omo afiri ho na mo no ye ja omo so omo tena ho because march and e be to omo so aba. It was the entire one to abandon I need delegates no every hall and from and said, or more yet you will be to be said the Beya Mobek or Mobeka or delegates Rebecca now Omina Atuaba and Yaman Dr. Alahaji Mahamadu Aomia. Now and said we were talking about 10 and I said you said you Kennedy Japan in crop for Kennedy Japan supporters and so about things said. Sesana Tedia, Enya, and was said, Sabio, Ewura, Justin, Kodia, our yet for Penny Edema and people party. Was said unsuspended, Sandy Pabby, M3 Equono, Krata way, and an MPP Canada Japan supporters at the Betua where they are demanding Secretary JF said, Justin Kodia for said. Only Abronye any wontumi every part no man say unsuspended or and compem Krata way and Canada Japan. The crop for at the above. Now, Sana Krata way the Babontin from Canada Japan the camp. A year MPP General Secretary for Justin Kodia, any kind of Krata Babontin ever say, or no, the Assembly question what na enye MPP party no na e kan de sebio chama wontumi eni Abronye e kan krata no so no anyway betumi ahwe no screen so ene da ho ba bia secretary of the party Justin Kodia Frepon e church ko say asema Abronye kaaye asema chama wontumi kaaye bia no enye the stance of the party say enye party ne na e kan de omoka number omo kano as a personal so omo anga so omo personal decision omo pese omo enye dey enkan tire delegates no confa so koto aba famba yewura Dr. Alahaji Muhammad Bawumia chama wontumi ko so kire nsemu de nti a woka ne saa yewura Abronye so ko so kire mu de nti woka ne saa enti masino se yeni kan ye nkone kokoti Abronye na se ma woka ya na me no so nti a Canada Japan crop for say yes suspended on a free part. Yenti message na sisia.
Me na me ye ho adwuma. Abon na wo bono region no. eduru say ye kwa polling station ya abona me na me ye ho adwuma enti wa wote WhatsApp platform so aso kope MPB atunu ebeduru na adin nim because won to be me say won to be when samu pass Abronye nso aba no won to be because me nya sore ne me nya ti free na ye mfa ahoma ntwe akiri ade se me kwa koduru ba bia se me ka kire car no me ye apostle ko Joseph me ka break nim nti car no kwa me de me sabo car no mu ana car na nkasa gina me nye break ntum nti me ka se won to bia polling station one me make sure say it's a matter of phone call nam si nipa sumasi mon kra na free system no me no wa wie ati mun nya jeje no no what the president Muhammad
God
now
have mercy upon us
me sabi ni o mo ku apai no enko ba bia
enti asem we na chairman Abronye ekaye say ono ne be manage the delegates aboma ye de be kwakoto aba ne de the presidential candidate or say it is just a matter of phone call obetumi afa phone na wa frɛ yen kan say consequence you say say nipa we yenyi ne free abo e ba ne sa mo na amote WhatsApp mo didi Abronye atem o ma mo nto aba asema Abronye kan no one can in the press statement of the MPP but Okano as ono na Abronye the personal statement yenyi we mfiro ne nkotie asem so a chairman wontumi chairman wo sia konso ekokan ya ye chese ye suspend the free party ye tie mrasisia
for say the omuba o maye ebino etin mesrawo ba o miano de no person ka fa no ni na o maka bi atemidi o ma di na bi aye ngwase o ma gu na bi na sa ngwase ni ade no o mo di bi ye kofo pewa yes aye o mo di bi ye kofo ado yes eti aba o miano mama ba o miano the governor ba o miano say eti no masra obi a mo ha bia no 1998 say repeat wo mo a omo to aba 1996 e bia na mo amoto 2003 2023 yes I repeat mo say mo to aba 2026 e bia I say and yes I repeat you eti no masra say I about yeti and you repeat it. Say you 40 near repeat it because say you pabi na mama baako na papa baako no mu na say adidie ba baako no betra first tafo mu ba biase aye Isaac ne Rebecca ana mu wo ye emramu no ene bibia mu no na Isaac say opese iso ene bi na de ana na yire eso say opese Jacob ne ni na de aso so e ba ye no ba bia na o say ato no e wa na kokoto de tell say ya fa ko ma ko tizuni ya de ma obi a o ka no eti say de ma ba o mia na so obi si ahye bibi de aba ba o mia na ya de na ya de
tactical play.
Now we are passing to man. I have power inti and the exercise. I have power inti and a mamaka. Saintina, Sunday police station for the car one, not to be here. But we are soon and they are mamaka. Mobile to a baby. May I some former executives. Cafes na made by former executives. Coming here. Because Kaufi not good. But another Omiati, former executive, now we are for team, we are for say a poor bonus of Osaka, and your reality. And your reality. If you say, a battle over to me, a battle over to me, it's any of them. Maybe because I never talk for. Na matna nyema mu ade afra bo ye. Ya nyina ni se ade asi ye no. na nya presidential na ma isi die si ye no ayeye kasa ani ma isi die ma isi ye no ejina ye parliamentary primaries na ye hoye so ano hyedo eti die mu krom fo kan ye se omu tps kan ba omu tps kan omu san kan eti be bi mu ka kira mo se wo nkumu didi a onko ye atisa wosa atisa aye no pre eti aye wo eti du be bi kra na wo kwa koye campaign pa na wo suru eti ade a wosa wo kwa kan ya ye wo ti ya kwa ka eno na e ba wo ya wa ha eti wo pre a wo ka se ba wo ya ana am ya we na wo kwa situation wo ọmọ constituency wọ ọmọ vote susu ẹsọ ti yẹ nanu sọ yẹ bá wọmi ya afẹ n'anu de na parliament ọmọ pere yẹ MPs bebree wọ mu ayẹ yẹ ọmọ kakọtọ ayẹ speaker ba o MPs kọtọ speaker ba no o ti for the first time from 1992 abẹkẹ mu nẹ yẹ na ne yẹ awẹ ne. That's all we got to happen. You lose sweet. Animal, I miss for. I know so never we are. Never we are. I didn't see anything to be bad. Young person, take the responsibility and take the responsibility and learn to solve the problem and enhance your fortune to win the elections in the future. Thank you, sir. Le bestia bien afrimu na yetu anamo a ebeti bi aboye na se ye kwa na sa aboye mi eti bi amwele election sata ye na bebia no ye pese ye blemu
enti ansem we ye na chama wontu e de to abonten na ba no so ti a Canada Japan supporters na se Canada Japan camp dia ba abonten de te we aba abonten then say e was Justin Kodia e suspended chama wontu any Abronye for video menu ya mepo edi chirem na asem we better about na Justin Kodia say even though why issue statement said nsem na wate ne wo viral video so everyone abonten wate he's going to work on that to see what is wrong with it na enomu na no pa kwasi quarantine a ono na yekasa ma for the Canada Japan esa ma abonten Justin Kodia ayi nani a onye we ana Justin Kodia say da bi nyanto ba se ente na ma wo mom na wonyante ne ma bi ase abanyoko na yetim no ye de mra ena ye atuma enti sa ade bi si na opese ye apply de mra na kan de a kwasi quarantine ye wani ma bi o he wo se wonye ansa na watumi ayede ateki any action that you want to take enti Justin Kodia e kan ne the statement can a Japan camp at the better about I am necessary.
We abut your attention.
Personally, the Hobia Emfa sa release or notice we emblem, but said your work time is me social media platforms. My fast seminal for the benefit of a T4 Mutie. I will see. Quite me will be a minimum pa. Now, every day say will make you reference to the party constitution. Now, I was expecting say will make you reference next car or go further. No kind party constitution here. Now what here Article 4 I can't discipline and grievances procedure. And once on my survey, your party nese ufiti ya no suspend will be keke. On my so what kind Article 4. Now, OCA 436. A car about jurisdiction, any complaint against a person. Said OCA Mrano, I was expecting to read this up provision. For the benefit of a for my country, was he a member who breaches any provision in this constitution or whose activities undermine the party's constitution shall have a complaint lodged against him or her? My sort here. Say, Obi, hey, the now fee say, be and say, nem fata. The first thing I saw and say, obe lodge complain etia say adia oma hen ye etia party mra nti party no enhwe ne enka wasem. So the first question I may busa akwesi quiet and they say, has he or anybody lodged a complaint against Ebia Chairman Abronye or Chairman Wontumi? And now say be nipe bu montiasie and a general secretary won suspend anyway when you say the man ye adwuma na person di man chia and the camera no the two na mo fa the emran account. It is a statement here or three Ebia for place way but say generally or per se you two na mo general secretary mean two na abra petition or complaint and betomenu say betomenu ma na mean two na mo then you can come and say oh your logic complaint am general secretary one come on she. Into mind, that's the first point. Secondly, as chief spokesperson of the party, no, Sebi, a brand biano, so be cast some or metia some for party one. I should respond. If we say, me come on to no man can once a man, they in me say, as man the papone cano, say a no crowd, not say no crowd, will be a. And to the question is, say they mean who's our video now or can once a no. As general secretary, as chief spokesperson. Or my Makan may issue statement. Yes, Makan was as chief spokesperson say Obi Kasamanya Nukra, SM Banami Chichim. Enra me issue statement efa Chairman Abronye home and then Chairman Wontumi with reference to Asama Kwesikwati account. The first one, a video be a volunteer me who say Chairman Abronye alleged worker say by polling station for Nkofo be you be a free no. I made that correction. Said when you to me say Obeka so bit me you will be a free polling station. Abom. Now Empo Osha system you do operate here, you do compile the register. Regional party no kwenu to me. So make us you will be there free. Send me some I no say I make by expansion of a party register. Constituency for NAS Jumana or more year former executives say you do within count. Branches are outside external branches. Branch executives na register and expansion. We are the National Party IT Directorate. They are creating a platform. Upload this information in our editor. So that the regional party comes in. And then you see the BBC and Tisa Asema alleged Chairman Abronye video me who and Tisa.
And in some way, Justin could be a better one. A fast answer now, and no children. Still, can Japan Crawford say they are not well, young can say presented, and I can some arm top Makoma so they are still husband outside there. And then Kokroko Juma so, and now Jay Sefakai, a Fred Justin could be out, and a Justin could be young was here. A church near Manumu, a bye movie said a bay out, be a better than once. No be a behu, but young people are my good dinner. As some Abronye Kaya, dear Chama Wontumi Kaya, and the Kennedy Japan Crawford so demanded. Young couldn't put the video, but answer a conversation and subscribe to this channel. For Zaki Adomanso said that they have a bad life. You began to some about the camera. Medin Jack said, Mamma. Bernard Jordan, David Achampo, Chuma Sedina, and Ahmed Mutar. Sansa Medichak is a mammy with someone, and I'm Diana Achampo. Diana Pia, I Michel Yepa, Collins Pansa, Michel Masodentry Michel, Ahmed Mutar, also Michel Yepana Fred Mota, also Michel. Yanko Koti, and Sama Sabu, the chairman, the general secretary of the party, and the Abattoir Bonte, and another point.
Secretary New Patriotic Party. GFK March out of pay.
Chema Juna, Major so.
Boko there.
Nyamia don Chema, now swear.
Nyamia dom ya pa. Anope me head obokrate mu a mo se me PP mu ye hu krate bia on sasha se. We share daily guide and no one has monopoly over album compilation MPP. E wo ha wonfoni eda ho a we pagya nsa we nim so bia nani abere papa anope. Na me fasa daily guide story na emfa nyamfa to na memisa se dey na buy ntia akokotro sakrate ya ura Bernard Ntwibwesi akọ a friend Chairman Wontumi ura kwamba for friend Chairman Abronye dey na ekoso
Chairman Mendas na
so sir.
people nya. Chairman, when you say the party no National Council de share by say January 31st.
Yeah.
You quite to presidential primaries. Now you opinion about to your Frank Amaye for 2028 elections no. Chairman and none sanity. When you say Sebi, if you ask me bia april bia ho ewo ho bia no Sebi edun sembibre efa ho na se sembibre ba ho. Contest there o kwa we be ka se we should be ka se we be tia we na so we be tima ka asem ebu ye no kre ebi so nya no kre ntu tra no ma ni nyina no ye party penny se we twotwo for penny a se de bia wo hwe sa no ma we nyina se be ya asem bia be ba so we ya no no na se to chirichim no wutimi chirichim yi na emma enkofu bi nkonya adwen se e bia processes kra ye de ba beto aba no enye fe na se bia ye kwakoye e dia favor particular candidate na say kwakoye dey tia a particular candidate from Friday and bano Friday Saturday then nyina no na me ho videos pay me no bia and then social media so the platform be so first one me am Bruno regional chairman say allegedly who share video na and ne sana me be adoration tea but me come careful say we sha was say polling station for bi wa okra bit me be you mudi kwafi abonum aye bi emomon twaba ni bi ana secondly chairman wontumi so ma hu video bi a nso work say aba ya kwato na January 31st say bi nipa ba ko na secondly ba ko enti ana obo ama na executives wo mo nyina kwa kwato abenu na ye edema no Etimu who is video so no. Sebi a chief spokesperson of the party no. Man the chechim and panoman to be a dark. A member and kophobia nya adwen say sebi sema ebia will be do so no no pre. General Sunday be the message kata afia. Edi kan mi chechim say sebi nipa ba kophobia no ha say we general secretary say we national chairman we regional officer we constituency officer who bit man manipulate the Abronye the Kotuaba na so betime you be every year registering na o share share party no wa chairman and party could share and share our Legon ayekoya expansion wo sa expansion yekoya say ma former executives na your constituency officers former constituency officers to abanibi that is where na cost no a constituency party no and omo hwese former constituency officers near no on register over. And no cry access be and none say it be a two kind be a free mo if you any constituency one. I said the electoral commission and then she said I said open so to abani be ampa and none more can so bit much. No so brand mo the betrothed you want some public to be. That is share prepare the aba say we a former executive not say oh na bit much to abana. Reach out to constituency, no more power or never the form, never more. The constituency Nivia, constituency chairman and secretary bed or sit forms no. Obuvia, Omedama IT coordinator. On your system here, IT director the work issue. At the constituency level, no, upload this information no at the system no so. They're not bad national street. They encourage Mimpo no get make I said with my manipulative register no. Oh yeah, branches what external diaspora branches in the so the same process and more follow. Regional office, they can only register former regional executives. They're not about national so the same thing. And to be a no our choir or in a drama. If you say be and then the crescent will be bit masses, it be a register, that's what bits me will be there free. I mean, son of my way in a year and Nam said, Nippon word man, near per se, a beco commercial. Or movies are uploading of that information system man. National Party, the team ever call regions in the constituency near acquire the Brunifeno verification to make sure that a dinner of the buyer no and no correct on so beyond buyer. If we are any aspirants in the business, the member draft register and say or a provisional register and say or motion no more so issue be will be among family and some can the final register now. The member will be also winning the court and the process in the apartment. And idea, it basically their common will be not say the idea, the best son. Why me? And then the first time, dear to about our party, at least I can speak for myself.
Yeah.
The General Secretary, yes, so 2023 presidential primaries, the parliamentary primaries. Chairman, what is so big complaint say Abronye, you tamper with the Abronye.
There be main
Everything went free, fair, and transparent. I said, Ngofoko Abayabasu said the first time that to parliamentary primaries, Yantis will be cast, will be at the time, will be different. From the same process, and I measure said presidential primaries, ever also. Secondly, Oba Chama, wontumi video na nama bontina. And also so say, the tide koto abano anytime you koto no because of one candidate in the year. And also so me cheche mo sentisa. Party no oko your constitution ma. Article 13 no 2 minutes National Council ensa. National Council we champion for more National Council ba MPs wo parliamentary leadership wo national officers wo former general secretary former national chairman wo yewo enkofo pibri omoka national council region bia ne rep ba fame ye ko shia decision 24 after say ye deliberate amount for ye argument ye debate one the national council came to the conclusion say data ye the two year presidential primaries no e said ne fata if we say and then we should did their party ma presidential primaries no obi nkontoka for national elections there obi ko regional secretary obi ko chairman bi obi nkontoka so ko regional chairman bi obi nkontoka so ko MP obi eh omo a obeso betu franka ma party o machitafo na edidi omo totoma no omo and they said the be ya asudwe beba party ma yetimi twen to ebia December 2026 no enti yanto abanentem na ebeboa ma reconciliation to my cost of party no ebet ma boa ama dede cost of party na so abafo just be and then party no share sebi your koto about 2024 na ye din kunim na sabi ese ye boa boa ho na nya candidate bit ma to an intem ye to about intem a ebeboa ma yet ma to a candidate intem sebi chita afọ bibi nti o man koto aban sa reconciliation na chop na adwuma ese nyina no o twa kwa me ebenya over 2 years to do all these things. And that was the reason that National Council take it. So it was not done to favor a particular candidate A or candidate B. Now, if you ever said, Chairman, we issue statements in Bayano. But once a chairman wontumi, and then Chairman Abronye so issue statement, be on Mokase, some videos no, by doctor. But me media, say be a cast and for Kwame the account. Let a nature, it's nature, now Kwame won't come once a month. Kwame, what does it mean?
Not just saying no correct.
Let's say they said because the statement number, the no money says that videos no were doctored. And for me, as general secretary there, chairman, I can assure you, say, as chief spokesperson of the party, Bibiba, Nemkoya, Mekawasem, and it's a mammy issues as statement.
Now, me who said wontumi adia to be saying ka bibiania or saying ka o friend or now fra Abronye na mudi nkomo esane say say akan e bia na videos no obi na edenensa aye ho adwuma.
Chairman, you see, baby, it's not about say what friend wontumi or who friend wontumi or what fra Abronye or fra Abronye. Sebi videos be da montino. Why me so obi ehu. Any from what adwuma ne ye. It's not about say be a menu to say, we know when to say. At least there be a general eltro. As you said, be a dear bad one thing, no one can once a month, then have to come in and talk. And you said, be made by now, but you know, they said, be tear for so or side of the story. He said, no cry, a tear for home, they be antithesis or mobile. And to me, dear, member train can say, be a Kwame Kokasi, let them and Frere Kwame Kosher them. I said, them myself, a bad one thing, a becana bon thing, sir. A bad their money I can't do. A statement and number one thing there. As chief spokesperson of the party, let them come with it.
In all of this, o Canberra for be reconciliation. Near Ekwe am to Mani Muhini in some Ekwe. Would you say from Samria, if you Samria copy him January 31st and beyond? Move with me, I and Kabum.
Fame, a bit nearby. The Nipaso can crow party, man. Mamma named Kwayen chairman, general secretary of the party national. The Papa Abronye BBA General Secretary. You were national officers, you were NEC members, you were Council of Elders, you were National Council members, you were parliamentary leadership, you were MPs, you were officers of the party. Them man say, I'm sorry, I'm a young Kasa, near Musu, you way and yet, you're condemning, you way and yet, you're Bonabaso. the way con emboya said the Juman Nipa Bako intimate. And that reconciliation it starts with all of us as officers of the party, as stakeholders of the party. No, Sheba Kanokre. Then could jump when Nipa Bako for said the net Tinchna, India General Secretary, and say, Council. Kwame Mema family, the constitution can measure me to one and Monomaya. Pename Buana Kwame, January 31st, year 12 Benuia. Every year, Sebi, Nipa Bako for say candidate A or candidate B. So, Empo winning. Now, your ma or Macau home. That's how much it's tough for no. When it's man show or money now can one, there's no way you can return to a state election. And the more premier, they are where they know. It's through her, Obia, I saw didn't with him. Wow, you have to about Mount, one hour with the kind. One I said with this agenda was one party no at the discrimination. To be the anymore, National Party in Beboa, Obia Beboa, Timidia, fat baby no, would you say a rule by National Bedroom? If the Kwame said the measure as a mechanic, if you have to be anyone to me, yeah, prayer, a prepare Mahon, send me Cassitri Mahon, and the teacher Mahon, send me a true declare the Diatel Mahon. Now to see we are the structures must work and people must be ready to come on board that say for the interest of the party. No, but I'm very sure. But let's say a party for the Kita for say. Minister for Fakumetu, Obetina of all friend, Nadena Muye, the party no general Koshi. Let's be a dear Estino, not the Cosno, Sebi, a Muro party no so, and Chester party no. Political parties, Milano, or more presidential contest that they did Bahon, Casa Bahon, they hear a post elections no. A quiet Befaswa, the bit marché at Tuno May. Now, first, the Kita for Moody as far as nation. Sebi, you're about me, you're Kennedy, you're a Cabineta Paul, you're a Brian Champo. You're Duchum. Come on, Musia, or more bomb, come on. Family, when you say Baku, Obe, Nibian, Ovia, family, we say we know my pen now, in your mamma can, Omenia, the door, Nabem. Omenia, to a more crowd among themselves, no. How much for my so much of a bomb, come on. Now, it's the house will be out, you could be a chief. Now, we'll cast out the emotions and our councilman fata. If you know, if you inform the carbon, now also. You call for a medical campaign, my campaign man call for or my point to come on. If I got in your tune, and Kyle Mubi. The Messenger Party for say, a year during caution and say, a MPP party near Somno, any individual. If you inform the party in the market, if you 92 back, and then you can't read to buy a kind of way. When you a month for be Brabidi, you are Dr. Seven by Pre-B, you are supporting the press of the party name. And no money now, most from us in the Pofraba, you are for the party name, and then when a party presidential candidate be or in a Juma or call, you are Kufa Ben Juma or call Sana party here. The message will be at this time, no, with my campaign. Now, so you share Casamir. Chairman, finally, so can once, I want to go quiet in Miami. To our war, a spokesperson, man, you are Canadian, or issue statement.
Any who know me
who
David, not yet.
I make our say, opinion, no question.
Statements.
Also, so I condemn the video also working. Walk as a party, no, a train, you are wontumi, and you are Abronye out. Sabia Quasi statement now the buy no, as a party, no, them none a year. Party Constitution Article 4, it talks about grievances and disciplinary procedures. Kwame General Secretary, simple, but this will be a Kobubia, maintain from the 2 million customer sort of any panel. As a different Raquamo. Party says the office will be a debinenya. The first now best of the way so you say, as all logic complaint against the person. The message was he said, office say be because of Nenya. The party works with complaint and petitions. Offer petition in that. What the bar, the bishop, now demand the relevant bodies, no. Now, some no. Now, chairman, Yakafa, to come in that Jamaican.
Niabekano no medasi, but answer na obekono. When you know, she, no be see me misa say near D kind. Omo say tape near doctor no. Oma chere baby a doctor. Ana say oma kagun from me mukeke.
Chairman, say oma naka. Mr. My statement actually the Jammo and the T4. It is a petition biba say beer or my cousin say near the relevant body now. Then near from no ma be chim say am fa a doctor and say no doctor and he said you can never find a doctor and then find the doctor and the general secretary my chairman.
Okay, me saka statement ni bi wa ha na Kwesi Kwarteng signed it, also a law lecturer, campaign spokesperson to Honorable Ken Ejepong. Enti wa send aka ne papa pepe say wa sign the atudwa. Enti aka say sanction Ashanti and Bono regional chairman for gross anti-party conduct. Na we general secretary we secretary ni bi o mama adwuma e den ho.
Chairman.
Yes, yes, who Baboni de Biana Pacho.
So maybe I make us say the main time, number more than 5 is a all share Nina Mama Balquina, you ride in Baltimore, now on the chairman that Rocha, among the Yajuma, Laditimu Bayajuma, or share Miam Yapenida Butchi, or ne. How ne sukumo those sites no yeah jumana no mama benina unfortunately for me in yen say me tell my buy na I say no do no time pressure in adam so ye did na diaspora at least it is what it is and they say ye shene ye jumana but at least family we will say true.
Oh, the lawyer start now answer question. As me be shall me say executive your mom where you man I dey because chairman wontumi any Abronye de bia no mo asem aba
edman be na me say dem kan me say le general secretary edman kwa I mean you will go for so ha eso bia boa ne so na nyama party no kwani na ye carbon bit my edman no ama ye hwehwe no yin set me aka
DF can pay me that say Justin Frimpong Kodua
And in some way, and Justin Frimpong Kodua Edibeto abonten kyerɛ sɛ suspend no yes so sorry now was suspend the obi edina free party no now mom you have to go through the right procedure say asem na chama wontumi ne Abronye kan no say almost say against the constitution of the party there and yeah mon use the manner our constitution actually say ye faso e de suspend the obi e de free party no abusuana de wo ho nyina no we e na me de brɛ wo message say but modern like video na share na comment nso na like na me fan nche me say the beginning na me sound na enye enti ama me share na sound na enye kura me srɛ wo say me ye life na hu say me sound ya bɔ me amane o twere comment ya mehu na ma solve no tentem pa yes a be video na wie no later obi ba kura so obetie kura na na ontumi ntie ma ne ye but madam nyina ase ene mo bre said ye tie bia nche he be sign ahia biem until we meet again adios.